What's up, guys? I just wanted to shoot a quick video for you about mapping the outputs in the HOG software. So this is something that is mainly for Rising Sun because we don't have a console up here. Some of the settings need to be adjusted so that all of the hardware responds to the software control. But it's also a really handy thing just to know for troubleshooting if something's not working correctly in Bel Air, things aren't working at all, nothing's responding. This is a good place to start, whether you're in Rising Sun or Bel Air or Middle River. So I'm going to show you guys how to do that. So I'm going to pull up this view, and just to give you kind of an example, I'm going to click on this. I'm going to start queuing things, and we got nothing. And I promise everything's on. So if everything is on and you have nothing, this is a good place to start. So you want to come over to your network window, which is this little guy over here. Select the processor, hit settings. So it opens your processor settings menu. And then over here, there's a tab called output. Click on that, and you can see these are our outputs that are all mapped to control everything. Since I use one file to control every campus, each campus gets one output generally of its own, and that's where all the information gets sent out so that it can go to the lights. So Middle River is on output 1, Universe 1. Bel Air is on output 2, Universe 2. The Epic strips are on a separate universe run by ArtNet, so that's a whole different thing, and I'll get some videos out about that at some point. And then Universe 4, output 4 is for all of our Rising Sun fixtures. So you'll see these little exclamation caution point guys. That means there's a problem. The software is looking for that output and it can't see it. The reason it can't is because these don't exist here in Rising Sun. We just have this one super widget. We don't have any internals because it's not an actual console, it's a computer that's running the software, and we don't have a single widget up here. So in order to reset these, what I generally do is just remove everything. So if you're in Middle River, you'll want to map output 1. So 1, select widget, and then hit apply. And if we were in Middle River right now, lights would have responded. Whatever queue that we're selected right now would actually come up. But because we're not in Middle River, we're in Rising Sun, we need to remove this, and we need to add Rising Sun. So in Rising Sun, we have super widget. It has 4 outputs. Because we're using Universe 4, we're actually plugged in to output 4 on the widget itself. So what we have to do is we have to come up here. Actually, what I would probably do is just go 1 through 4, hit widget, and hit OK. You're going to see that it populated all of these things, but none of those matter. We just want Universe 4, port 4. And as long as we have that, we're good. So I hit apply, and everything sprang to life real quick over here. So now as I click through some queues, all of the lighting is responding. Alrighty, so that's how you map the outputs. Like I said, Middle River is number 1, Bel Air is Universe 2, and Rising Sun is 4. So you want to make sure that Universe 4, port 4 is set up, or else you might run into issues here in Rising Sun. But yeah, I just wanted to show that to you since I've been adjusting it kind of myself and checking them on Thursdays, but I'm not going to always be able to do that. So if you ever run into that on a Sunday morning, that's how you correct it. Thanks, guys.